Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to email a GarageBand project. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you're not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments you can open up. You can see the audio recorder right here and so on. So let's go ahead and see how we can email a project that we have right here to someone. First thing we want to do is open up our project. So I'm just going to open up the audio recorder right here. You can open up any of the instruments you have. And now in this new recording menu, we want to go right here into the upper left corner, click on edit menu. That's going to open up this mixing mode where we can find all the tracks that we have. As you can see, this is our finished song and our project that we now want to email to somebody. So what we want to do is go right here into the upper left corner, click this arrow pointing downwards. As you can see, it's going to open up this menu that says My Songs. And what you want to do is click on My Songs, which is going to, as you can see, save your project and open up your recent projects right here. So what you want to do is find the project that you want to send as an email. So I'm going to hold on that project. So you want to tap on it and hold it. After tapping and holding it, it's going to open up this new menu right here. You can see all the options that you can access. And one of the options is called Share right here. So you want to click on Share. And after clicking on Share, now we can select if we want to send a project or song. You can click on Project. And after clicking on Projects, you can see you can now go ahead and choose who you want to send it to. And you can choose the email application and send to whoever you want. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.